Hello guys, so if you're looking how you can change your phone number in your Lloyds bank account, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. Now make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now the steps are very easy. Firstly, what you have to do is go to your Lloyds bank application, either phone or internet, whichever you may choose. Now firstly I'm going to show you how you can do this in the phone application. Firstly, log into your phone application, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your application, then go to update and details and click on edit. Then edit all the details that you want to edit. For this instance, it is the phone number. So change that, then just simply click on save and you're all done. Now if you want to change your phone number in your computer or your laptop, what you have to do is just simply log into your Lloyds bank account in your browser. Go to your profile at the navigation bar at the top bar, then click on select contact details, then choose your phone number, then click on update your phone number, then change your phone number and add the new one, then click on save, then after that you're all done. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.